Much better. This is the airbox out of my new Audi. It's beautiful. It gets high pressure cold air directly from the front bumper, nowhere else. It has a perfect round element style filter, no mass airflow sensor, nothing. It's just perfect. Those German engineers, they did an amazing job. The only problem is I can't hear my turbo. So this is going in the trash, and I'm replacing it with various parts. I got a silicone coupler, I got some 3-inch aluminum tubes, and I have a dry element AEM air filter. It doesn't muffle my voice at all, so hopefully it won't muffle my turbo. The stock airbox fit right down in here, and it's so simple, you really just yank it out, and now we have all this room for activities. I should have plenty of room. Let me bring you in. Look at that turbo inlet, fucking mint. Actually, I got distracted and already made it. It's very simple. It's just 90 elbow, 90 elbow, welded together. It's not perfect. I don't care. And here it is sitting in the car. The worst weld I've ever done in my life. It kind of works. Let's hear it.